Hi, I'm Derek Dietz, General Manager of Traube Tent Structures. Here at Traube, we're a Midwest provider of tents and clearspan structures. Our clearspan structures are engineered to meet IBC codes, whether that's 2009, 2012. All these structures are designed to meet those codes. At Traube, it's safe installation and a quality process that we're focused on. Our main focus is providing safe installation and quality installation for our clients. We've had a long history of here in St. Louis in the Midwest region. We started in 1938. At Traube, we're a Midwest provider. We serve several Fortune 500 companies with their structure needs. The marketplaces we serve are agribusiness, petrochem, special events. If there's a need, there's a place where Traube can fit it. If there's a need for square footage, any type of structure, we're there to provide it for our end users and store and maintain if needed. So there's a lot of variety of options that you have when you're working with Traube. We have a lot of customer inventory that we house and maintain throughout the year. Some customers have, event-driven installations. Other customers have seasonal installations where we may have a winter installation or even a spring or summer installation where they have a 3 to 6 month installation time period. So we'll house and maintain their inventory. If there's any damage or anything that's done to it, we'll maintain and correct and fix it.